Greetings, fellow nature lovers. Welcome to today's English lesson tailored for gardening beginners. If you're eager to cultivate your own garden but feeling overwhelmed by the array of tools available, you're in the right place. In this lesson, we'll explore essential gardening tools and their names. Let's get started. To kick things off, let's familiarize ourselves with basic gardening tools. Repeat after me. Wheelbarrow. Axe. Lawn mower. Sickle. Scythe. Hedge shears. Pruners. Rake. Pitchfork. Gardening fork. Shovel. Hoe. Trowel. Pruning saw. Ladder. Fence. Flower pot. Apron. Seeds. Germination. Sapling. Tree. Grass. Bushes. Flower bed. Flowers. Potted plants. Fertilizer. Soil. Bench. Gardening gloves. Boots. Bucket. Garden hose. Tap. Watering can. Now, let's delve into the functions of these tools. I'll describe a tool's purpose, and you can echo the corresponding term. Wheelbarrow. Small cart with one wheel in front and two support legs and two handles in the back. Axe. A tool that has a heavy iron or steel blade at the end of a long wooden handle, used for cutting wood. Chainsaw. A power tool with sharp teeth set in it that is driven by a motor and used for cutting wood. Lawn mower. A machine for cutting grass. Sickle. A tool with a short handle and a curved blade, used for cutting grass. Hedge shears. A handy tool for maintaining your shrubs and small trees, as well as for shaping bushes and shrubs. Pruners. A tool used to cut or lop superfluous or undesired twigs, branches, or roots. Rake. A garden tool with a long handle with a row of teeth at its head used to move leaves or break apart soil. Pitchfork. A tool with a long handle with 3 or 4 large curved metal points at its head, used for moving hay. Gardening fork. A tool with a handle and 3 or 4 points used for digging and loosening soil in gardening. Shovel. A tool with a long handle that is used for lifting and moving earth, coal, or snow. Hoe. A garden tool with a long handle with a thin metal blade, used to remove weeds and break up the surface of the ground. Trowel. A small hand tool used for digging small holes or removing weeds. Pruning saw. A hand tool used for cutting small to medium-sized branches. Ladder. A device used for climbing that has 2 long pieces of wood, metal, with a series of steps. Fence. A structure like a wall built outdoors, usually of wood or metal, that separates 2 areas. Flower pot. A container made from plastic or earthenware, used for growing a plant in. Apron. A piece of clothing worn over the front of other clothes to keep them clean. Seeds. A small object produced by a plant from which a new plant can grow. Germination. The process of a seed starting to grow. Sapling. A young tree. Tree. A tall plant that has a wooden trunk and branches that grow from its upper. Grass. A low green plant that grows naturally over a lot of the Earth's surface. Bushes. A large plant which is smaller than a tree and has a lot of branches. Flower bed. A part of a garden or park where flowers are grown. Flowers. The part of a plant that is often brightly colored and has a pleasant smell. Potted plants. A plant that is grown in a container, and usually kept inside. Fertilizer. A chemical or natural substance that is spread on land or soil to improve plant growth. Soil. The upper layer of earth in which plants grow. Bench. A long seat of wood or metal that 2 or more people can sit on. Gardening gloves. Pieces of clothing which cover your hands and protect them from dirt and thorn. Boots. A type of special shoe, usually covering the foot and ankle. Bucket. A container with an open top and a handle. Garden hose. A flexible tube which carries water and is used to water a lawn or garden. Tap. A device that controls the flow of water from a pipe or container. Watering can. A container with a handle and a long spout, used for pouring water on plants. Congratulations! You've now acquired a foundational understanding of essential gardening tools. Armed with this knowledge, you're well prepared to embark on your gardening adventure. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions or suggestions for future lessons. Until next time, take care and stay green. Goodbye.